Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the euro yen, especially all yen pairs really, I think this is very clearly a 1, 2, 3. I think this is an ABC of 4, and eventually it's going to go back up for a wave 5, probably look at something like that. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this first move down is an A. I still think this looks like an ABC of B, and eventually probably back down for a C, and this is all going to be an ABC of 4. Now, keep in mind this is more likely a weekly time frame pattern, which means this is going to take months and months to play out. So going down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we're definitely getting closer to my targets. And honestly, this 100% area is an area where this possibly could, end the wave B and continue down. And luckily, we will be able to recognize it if it does end up doing that by looking for a breaker structure on the sort of time frames. So right now our structure level is way down here, which tells me that this is likely a 1, 2 and likely a wave 3. So that means that this move down right here is probably going to end up being a correction. Most likely this is going to make a higher low, and most likely it is going to push up again. Now if it pushes up and makes a new high and then goes down and breaks that structure, that right there will tell me pretty much that the wave B is over, that we need to start looking for sorts in a downtrend. I personally will not be trying to sort it until I see this picture right here, and if I don't see that picture but instead it just keeps on trending up, then I will just continue to look for longs every single chance I get. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely still only looking for longs, but I am not a scalper. I do not trade the short time frames. So I personally will just be patiently waiting for a wave A. I will patiently wait for a wave B and wait for a wave C. It is a lot of waiting, but I trade 22, 26 pairs, so for me, I don't mind waiting because there is opportunities elsewhere normally. So I'm waiting for three-way pullbacks, I'm waiting for Fibonacci bounces, and I'm waiting for more entries to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. If you do trade the shorter time frames, then possibly you could get a decent short out of the end of a wave B before you actually go long for the big wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked out here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.